Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into the MOJO app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The MOJO app is a handy tool for people who create content. It offers hundreds of polished animated templates, easy to use text and video editing, and a ready to go stories and real formats that can make your social media content looks professional without needing heavy design skills. On the downside, several users report glitches, export freezing, music audio not working properly, or project crashes that can lead to lost work. Some important features are locked behind the Pro subscription, and the functionality is probably better on iOS than the Android for some tasks. So in my opinion, MOJO is worth using if you regularly make social media content and you want quick polished results with minimal effort. But if you need reliable export, full editing control, or a budget conscious person, you might want to test the free version first or keep the alternative in mind as backup. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.